Hello family, welcome. My name is Azuma. I am a fashion designer extraordinaire, a mother of one, an advocate of self-empowerment, spiritual growth, and any practices that help me to become back in alignment with who my true self is, in alignment with my higher self and the divine, of course. My mission is to share with you all my interests and all the things I've gained on my path up till now. And of course, fashion played a large part in it for the last 20 years. So up until now, I decided fashion was no longer and it wasn't part of me anymore. But of course, unbeknownst to me, the divine had another plan for me. So here I am, giving you a little background on why I'm making this video and to just inform you about the new evolution and addition to my channel. And yeah, it's all quite exciting. I love the new. I love the idea that I can have it all in my life, hence the constant desire to grow and adopt practices that help me to get closer to my true self and aid my evolution. I think this is something we can all have, don't you? I take the same approach to my wardrobe. How one expresses themselves through the wardrobe, for me, is another way of expressing your spirit. Your higher self knows what will feed your essence and make you feel confident enough to show up into the world in your fullest glory. Hence the fact that we're all built differently and, one look doesn't just fit all and suit all. We're all individuals. I'm not this bold, but I still want to wear clothes that give me the self-expression that I want to put out into the world. Anything I wear, I want it to still have a flavour of my true self being expressed from the inside outwards. I had decided that I no longer wanted to experience fashion in a capacity of having a brand. But after a long time of stepping away and thinking about where I am currently, I can conclude, although I don't want a fashion label and I don't want to spend too much time in the making process, I still love my creativity, I still like to express, and I still like to wear me. Of course, it has also been a rude awakening trying to find clothes that I could actually resonate with. That was really a difficult task, so therefore obviously this has given me the impetus to reconsider on a small capacity. So, and obviously there's people that constantly ask me, am I still making clothes? Do I still want to make, am I ever coming back? So obviously people are still there wanting to wear the clothes. Being of Ghanaian heritage, I think it's in my DNA to make clothes. I can remember growing up as a child and my mum would construct something that I'd be like, oh, I don't want to cry, but you'd have to wear it anyway. I just want to express still. I just feel like I just want to express that side of me again. So therefore I'm going to show you through my weekly fashion journal how you can create timeless looks for whatever occasion you need. But mostly with clothes that I'm going to create. I'm going to obviously add things because this isn't a brand and I don't have an endless pit of clothes, but it won't be for a label. It was just another way for me to express. So I'm really quite excited about that. If you don't obviously know how to put something together, I'll be giving you, or require some assistance, I'll be giving you my perspective and hopefully it will assist you in your styling of your own garments. And I'm also considering at some point to introduce these pieces for purchase by order, if people are interested, obviously that would be something that you'd have to email me or message me just to say yes, you are interested, or that is something you'd like. But predominantly this is more of a style journal, just for me as well, because I love wearing clothes, and with the limited places to go for me, it's still nice to put things together. So today I'm looking at how one top can be worn in daytime, and just by changing your bottoms you can turn it into a nice effortless evening outfit. Let me know which one you like the best. I know which one I like. So the first item I'm going to work with is this amazing crossover top that I produced quite recently. You might have caught a glimpse of it on my intro video for my channel. I mean, how it started and how it ended up is really quite different, and I love that about the creative process that I use in order to come to the end product of a garment. So crossover tops aren't really the kind of things I would necessarily make, not necessarily a fan of them, but here's a few that I sort of found online. But when I made my own, I realised, they're quite flattering, because they accentuate the bits that you like and flatter the bits that you might overlook. I think it's good for all silhouettes and can be worn formally or in a casual setting. This one, I love the silver element of this. It adds an additional feeling of sophistication to it, and I've cut it so that the lines are asymmetric and that it hangs in an asymmetric way. As you can see, I've paired them here with some camel coloured flared suit trousers. It's quite an adult look, but I really like it. It really works if you really want to make a statement, or you've got a meeting or something important that you just want to look like quite sharp, quite clean. So if you've got a statement to make and you want to make a full statement and you want to walk down the street like it's your catwalk, throw on a pair statement glasses like this, which makes you feel like I've arrived. I always forget how much I love fashion until I've put on some clothes and really enjoy the look. The next look is, if you're trying to look effortlessly chic, you can pull your hair back, put either a bandana or a little fabric to wrap it, throw on your glasses, and just wear the top with some 3/4 length denim trousers, or it could be black trousers. This look is very effortlessly chic. I've got these really lovely shoes. They're quite statement shoes. They're not too high, so it's casual enough to walk in them and to feel that you're not tottering, or that it's, they're very comfortable. I like this. This is my favourite look, because this is where I feel comfortable with just a bit of glamour with a bit of casual denim. I like this outfit. The shoes are my favourite thing at the moment. They're a new purchase, and the top, you can wear it multiple ways. I really, really love it. So those are my two outfits for today. If you like, just give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and of course share this with anyone that might be interested in my fashion ideas. Thanks for your eyes, and I look forward to seeing you next week Friday. Ciao.